Begin by changing the margins in your document by going to File and then Page Setup. Change all of the margins to 0.3. Then pick your photo. Copy and paste it into the document. Click Wrap Text. Format the photo so that you are able to click on the sides. Hit Enter until you are on the 25th line. Click Highlight, and then just type a lowercase l. This shows you where the midline is. Crop the photo so that it does not cross the midline. Center it. Make sure that the L is still on the line it was before. So make sure to count the lines and make sure that it's still on 25. If it is, then click Enter after the L, and then copy and paste in your calendar. Make sure that it fits on the same page. I'm going to crop it so that it gets rid of where it says June, so that I can write it in my own handwriting. You don't have to do that. Wrap text. Then stretch it as needed, making sure that it is still not causing the midline to disappear. Center it. And then see how the L has moved. We're going to want to make sure that that L still exists on this page. So now that the L is there, what we're going to do is just get rid of the L and instead put in a few dashed lines. This will show us where to fold once we print this out. Make sure that this one is scooted down just a little bit. You can just add another dash and then it will show up. Once you've done that, just make sure once more that this middle line is on the 25th line. It is, so we are all good. Make sure you like how it looks, and then repeat this for all of the other pages. Then print them out and follow the rest of the instructions to glue them together and staple them so you have a full calendar.